Hello and welcome everyone to my project management series. In last episode we discussed about the Scrum fundamental. Today we are going to talk about the Scrum team. Now what is a Scrum team? Scrum team basically is the fundamental unit of Scrum is a small team of people like a Scrum team. Basically that is a team of people which is called as a Scrum team. Scrum team consists of one Scrum Master, one Product Owner, and developers. So all together, Scrum as per the Scrum guideline, it should be 10 or fewer. Means maximum project Scrum team will be 10 or less than 10. So within a Scrum team, there are no sub team or hierarchies. It is a cohesive unit of professional focused on one objective at a time, the product goal. So complete team एक प्रोडक्ट गोल के लिए काम करती है एंड दे आर फुल्ली फोकस्ड विद द ऑब्जेक्टिव दैट इज डिफाइंड इन द प्रोजेक्ट गोल. स्क्रम टीम क्रॉस फंक्शनल्स होती हैं. स्क्रम टीम मीनिंग द मेंबर हैव ऑल द स्किल्स नेसेसरी टू क्रिएट द वैल्यू इन ईच स्प्रिंट. जो भी स्क्रम टीम हो, जो लोग टीम में काम करते हैं, they are cross functional or they have all the skills so that they can create the necessary values to the each sprint. They are also self managing, meaning they internally decide who does what, when and how. किस तरीके से काम करना है, कौन काम करेगा. So they internally decide it, and this is called self managing team. Now moving to next, developer. So in Scrum team, we understand that there are three roles. One is product owner, second one is Scrum master, and third one is developer. So developers are the people in the Scrum team. They are committed to create any aspect of usable increment in each sprint. So people who create the service product, they are the developer, and they work as per the plan, as per the sprint, and they deliver the increment in the Scrum. Increment will be delivered after every sprint. Sprint is nothing but a small amount of time where all the Scrum team work for a particular sprint goal. So again, this is called as Scrum ceremonies, and that I'll discuss in the next episode. So developer are always accountable for what all the things that developer are accountable for. Creating a plan for the sprint, that is called a sprint backlog. Then they adhere to the definition of done. Means basically for the increment there is a defined definition of done. If that definition done meets, then the sprint is complete. Adapting their plan each day towards the sprint goal. Every day they meet like as a stand up, and then they discuss what they have done in the last day, what they are going to do it today. So these everything will be discussed, and they discuss this in every day, and accordingly according to the sprint plan, holding each other accountable as a professional. So they work collaboratively, and they deliver the things. So this is something, these are the important points that developers are accountable for. Then product owner. Product owner is accountable for maximizing the value of the product resulting from the work of the Scrum team. Whatever the product will be there, उसकी वैल्यू को कैसे मैक्सिमाइज करना है, उसको स्टेक होल्डर के साथ, उसको बिजनेस के साथ किस तरीके से उसको डिलीवर करवाना है, दैट इज द रोल ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट ओनर. Product owner is also accountable for effective product backlog management. The person who is a product owner, he is basically responsible for managing the product backlog. developing explicitly communicating the product goal. Product का क्या goal है, why this product is made for, so that is, that must be defined by the product owner. Creating and clearly communicating the product backlog. So एक जो product backlog होता है कि क्या क्या डेवलप होना है, वो सारा कुछ product backlog में लिस्ट होता है, and that is by product owner. Ordering product backlog item. Now किस product backlog item का की प्रायोरिटी फर्स्ट है, किसका सेकंड है, कौन सा पहले डिलीवर होगा, कौन सा बाद में डिलीवर होगा, दैट इज ऑल्सो डिसाइडेड बाई प्रोडक्ट ओनर. इंश्योर दैट द प्रोडक्ट बैकलॉग इज ट्रांसपेरेंट, विजिबल एंड अंडरस्टूड. जो प्रोडक्ट बैकलॉग है दैट मस्ट बी ट्रांसपेरेंट टू ऑल द स्क्रम टीम, that must be visible and understandable. So I think this is very much clear in terms of definition. Now Scrum Master. Scrum Master is accountable for establishing the Scrum as are defined in the Scrum guide. They do this by helping everyone understand the Scrum theory practices both within the Scrum team and organization. सो बेसिकली स्क्रम और स्क्रम के प्रिंसिपल को, स्क्रम के गाइड को हर पर्सन जो कि इस टीम में है, स्क्रम टीम में है, या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो कि स्क्रम को फॉलो करता है, उसको क्लियरली ये उसकी मीनिंग, उसका स्ट्रक्चर, उसका वे ऑफ वर्किंग को एक्सप्लेन करना, उसको इंश्योर कराना, दैट इज़ अ वर्क ऑफ स्क्रम मास्टर. स्क्रम मास्टर सर्व एज the Scrum team in a several ways, like coaching the team member in the self-managing and cross-functionality. Provide coaching करना team को. Help the Scrum team focus on creating high values increment. Team को help करना कि कैसे वो quality wise product को deliver करें. Causing the removal of impediments to the Scrum team progresses. कोई भी अगर उसमें इम्पेडिमेंट्स होता है, जैसे कोई उसमें इश्यूज आता है, उसको रिमूव करना, दैट इज ऑल्सो पार्ट रोल ऑफ स्क्रम मास्टर. इंश्योर दैट द ऑल स्क्रम इवेंट टेक प्लेस एंड आर पॉजिटिव. जितने भी स्क्रम इवेंट्स होते हैं, जिसको हम सेरेमनीज भी बोलते हैं, वो एज पर द डिफाइंड टाइम रूल दे आर टेकिंग प्लेस एंड दे आर पॉजिटिव, प्रोडक्टिव एंड कीप विद इन द टाइम बॉक्स. हर एक सेरेमनीज का, हर एक स्क्रम इवेंट्स का एक फिक्स टाइम होता है, एंड दैट स्क्रम मास्टर मस्ट इंश्योर दैट दैट इज हैपनिंग. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द स्क्रम टीम. नाउ स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीडियो and with the below topics like ceremonies and artifacts.